What's that you say? Another review? Damn right. Welcome everyone to a brand new review. Today we're reviewing a pair of shoes I'm quite excited about. I've had them in for a couple days now. I've been wearing them, trying them on, and I'm excited to give you this review of this pair of shoes. Let's get straight into it.
You get the bag and fumble it, I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Straight up the lot, 300 cash, and the car came with a plan in it. Lil' mama a thot, and she got ass, and she gon' fuck up a bag. Pull up to the spot, living too fast, dropping the dope in the stack. Italy, got too far, hoes they DM me. Try the top, when it's cold, but you feel the heat.
What's that you say? The Yeezy 700? No, Puma RS-X3 Puzzle. Hopefully I'm not the only one in this and I'm crazy and thinking these look so similar to the Yeezy 700s, but they really do though. This is the latest RX model from Puma. They've got lots of different RS-X styles of shoes. On the insole over there it says running system. On the outsole as well it says running system. So that's what the RS stands for. I'm pretty sure the RS line was a shoe from the 80s that they've rebooted into this more lifestyle shoe. So it's very chunky, it is more of a dad shoe, and this specific colorway, the fog blue colorway, just released early December or late November. This colorway specifically is a JD exclusive. So JD in the UK is like Champ Sports in the US. The first thing that hit me when I saw this shoe was how closely it resembles the Yeezy 700. Specifically, I guess because of the way it's shaped, the dad shoe vibe, the chunkiness, and the overlays on this shoe. So you'll see there's a lot of different materials that have been overlaid on here, and the laces are pretty much the same. The toe box area with that kind of toe box that comes up. For anyone who is too frugal to cop the Yeezy 700s or just don't think that they're worth the £250, $300 price tag, then this is definitely a shoe you should be looking at. They do plenty of other colorways. I would specifically look at the RS-X3 as the pattern and the materials are very similar.
Eat it up like it's a feast. They say the dope on fleek. Percocet pill on me. I told my nigga, baby, chill with me. The nigga that runs in the back don't say nothing. Them niggas a kill for me. Back as I came on my sleep on fleek. A nigga spit on that penny for me. Bitch, I'm a duck in my tree. How about the frog and leave? I put them bricks in the fender. I bet she walk around like she Christian. I used to break in the air. Think I'm running like the game of tennis.
Getting straight into the materials, starting at the toe box, we have, I don't know what we're going to call this. Maybe it's leather. If it's not leather, it's definitely trying to imitate leather. All on the toe box. You've got mesh all around the shoe. Is basically the majority of the shoe is mesh. Some reflective panels by the lace holes, as well as on the back. I don't know whether you can see the reflectiveness with this light. You're trying to get that Yeezy 700 swag, then you got to get some of these. Apart from the way that they look, they feel incredibly comfortable on foot. Of course, that running system I was talking about, in the sole, it's very spongy. It's almost like, the best way I can describe it is like a much more responsive memory foam type of feeling, and it kind of sits right on the heel. There's like this little rectangle bit which just seems to be thicker than the rest. The actual midsole of the shoe is actually pretty soft as well, which I didn't expect. It is pretty squishy. As far as like running, I mean, I don't know why they call it the running system. I can't imagine you're going to do very well running in this shoe. It's pretty heavy. It's obviously pretty hefty, quite a chunky shoe. The color is a very bright blue, and I kind of like that. It has like white, it has like this light blue color, obviously some white creamy, it's not really like a solid white, it's like cream bits or off-white, and that carries through to the outsole as well. In terms of sizing, I got size 9. They fit true to size. One of the craziest things for me was how comfortable they were, and I didn't really expect that. They're well padded all the way around the ankle area. So you're getting a lot of padding there. Obviously the midsole is pretty comfortable, as well as that insole that you get with this pair of shoes. I really want to try a few different things. I was thinking maybe getting some orange laces, like some neon orange laces to go in these. I think that would look pretty sick. The color on the inertias, there's like this peach salmon color right here. Maybe just painting this part like that same color. I think that would look pretty sick. They retail for £90, $110 US. There's a lot of design elements that have been, I think, inspired by the Yeezy 700s in this shoe, which isn't a bad thing. The box, you just get this green Puma box, nothing special at all. And you don't get anything in the box, just paper and shoe paper. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, why don't you let me know about it? Let me know. Tell me. Do you like it? Tell me. Just click. That's right. Yeah, you got it. You got it. I mean, you ain't your first time on YouTube. You know what to do. Subscribe.
It's quite enormous, my dinosaurs. My tourist, come be my tourist. I bought the door, bought my wrist some Morris. Drove out the door, flush it down the toilet. With the mud, open fighting the mood, breaking the rules. I let the moon yell at my blues. One of his news, chase it with.
Subscribe.